My wonderful people, I mean the governorship election in those states. No be small kasala, no be small beginner with the sea. Now, Philip Shaibu, the restated deputy governor, has boasted that Governor Godwin Obaseki didn't make him. Rather, he was the one that made Governor Godwin Obaseki. He said that it took former governor Adams Oshobode 3 months to convince him to support Governor Godwin Obaseki to become governor. Hey, my people, don't be small Wàhàla. Alright, my wonderful people, before I go yarn on the photo, I go welcome on to my wonderful channel. Reality that is this. As they given a back-to-back update and information as they hot. So if today is your first time to join our wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. Oh yeah, my people, may we dive into the main story. Comrade Philip Shaibu, the restated deputy governor of Edo State, who was a guest on Friday edition of Channel Television political program Politics Today, said that it took the former governor Adams Oshobode 3 months to convince him to support Governor Godwin Obaseki to become president. Philip Shaibu said that Governor Godwin Obaseki was not a politician, even financially, that Governor Godwin Obaseki was not financially strong to even contest the election. So Senator Adams Oshobode brought him, and when Senator Adams Oshobode brought him, some of them argued that he could not be him, that it took Adams Oshobode 3 months to convince him and some of their supporters to support Governor Godwin Obaseki. And when they decided, because of the respect they have for Adams Oshobode, to support Governor Godwin Obaseki, that he didn't bring money, that they brought their resources and friends to bring money, and they brought their political capital to make Governor Godwin Obaseki governor. So when they are talking about deputy governors and governors, it's not Governor Godwin Obaseki that made him. Rather, Philip Shaibu said he was the one that made Governor Godwin Obaseki. I put up a small bagel. This duo have been at loggerhead over issues regarding the governorship election in Edo State. So Philip Shaibu was asked to be Governor Godwin Obaseki's deputy to add political value to the party's ticket because Governor Godwin Obaseki was not a politician. During the time he decided to run for governorship election, that Governor Godwin Obaseki tried to stop him from running for the 2024 governorship election by stopping finances due to him as deputy governor, adding that he has not received any check from the government for the past years. So concerning Governor Godwin Obaseki lawless, following Philip Shaibu restatement as the deputy governor by a federal high court, Philip Shaibu announced that he was back to his role and directed his staff to follow suit. However, the Edo State government released a statement saying that he is impersonating the deputy governor. So, reacting to the accusation of impersonation, Philip Shaibu said that Governor Godwin Obaseki has shown how lawless he is, that the holder of office of the governor in Edo State, Governor Godwin Obaseki, that today is lawless. That Governor Godwin Obaseki, if he is not lawless, he will not say Philip Shaibu is impersonating because there is a valid court judgment that he has been served. So Philip Shaibu is saying that this is not the only court judgment that Governor Godwin Obaseki is not obeying. That this is a governor that will not even follow policies of government that he initiated. Following Philip Shaibu's statement, in a judgment on July 17th, Justice Omotosho declared the impeachment of the Edo State House of Assembly as illegal, unconstitutional, null and void. So the court held that the said impeachment was in gross violation of the provision of both Section 188 and 35 of the 1999 Constitution as amended. The judge held that the impeachment was in gross violation of the Constitution. Aside from restoring Philip Shaibu, the court also ordered that his salaries and allowances should be paid to him from April when he was impeached as the deputy governor of the state. The court also issued an order of perpetual injunction restraining Governor Godwin Obaseki and the Edo State House of Assembly from stopping Philip Shaibu from performing the functions of his office. Not only that, Justice Omotosho also ordered the Inspector General of Police, Kayode Betogo, to restore his security details. Meanwhile, the Edo State House of Assembly appealed the judgment of the High Court and has filed a motion for a stay of execution pending the appeal because they weren't satisfied. So the court verdict came about 3 months after the lawmakers impeached the embattled 54-year-old as the state deputy governor. Now, people, the matter be said nobody want believe wetin Philip Shaibu talk, say he was the one that made Governor Obaseki. So they are saying that Philip Shaibu is reaping the fruits of his labor. That Governor Obaseki treated him nice, but he decided to pay Governor Obaseki back by betraying him. So by now they just saying don't learn a lesson, but he never still learn a lesson. That he's just acting as a clown. That he's fighting for his own pockets. But right now nobody cares if he made Governor Obaseki or not. So the question now is, if he's the one that made Governor Obaseki, he didn't have the political capital, yet he couldn't calculate his way through the primary election. That the good people of Edo State say they no want him. And in no one rest, say not be by force to be governor in Edo State. That for the record, Edo people made Governor Obaseki governor. So me don't let them remind them of the results, because APC won in his local government. Say make he no forget, because he would have slept in prison because of what he did during the primary election. He said politician will get mad, and very soon he will go back to him and kneel down to beg forgiveness the same way he did to Adam Soshomole. They don't say I'm saying shame, no they catch up at all. So right now, if he go fit add the value by contesting against Adam Soshomole for Senate 2027 and make sure he comes out victorious, then at that time they go believe him. But for now, that they're not going to believe him, because what he's fighting for is for his own pocket. So he should relax and let the Edo people choose their governor now. He has really tried. So he should allow Edo people to settle down and choose who they want come September 21st, 2024. My people, the fact remains that you should not bite the finger that fed you. Senator Adam Soshomole made Philip Shaibu, but he betrayed him for Governor Obaseki. Basically, none of these politicians are actually fighting for power to better the country. They are just going there for more wealth and power to defend the acquired wealth, nothing more. So my people, how wanna see this matter, because a lot of people they talk say na greed na they disturb Philip Shaibu, because all these things he's fighting for is for his own personal interest. So my people, I go like know what I think about this matter in our comment section. Let me know your thoughts, your opinion, your contribution in our comment section below. Let's make it lively. So guys, I would like to thank you once more for staying to us. We really do appreciate. But if you haven't subscribed to our page yet, please don't forget to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, comment, your winners. Stay safe, guys. Bye for now.